The Philippines has signed a contract for the purchase of 32 Black Hawk helicopters from Poland worth more than 32 billion peso. The acquisition of S70i Black Hawk helicopters will also include an integrated logistics support and training package for pilots and maintenance crew. This is a G2G deal with the Polish government, and will be delivered from 2023 to 2026. The helicopters are being acquired under the PZL Additional Utility Helicopters, S70i Black Hawk, acquisition project, aka Combat Utility Helicopter Phase 4 project, which is a second list of Horizon 2 project under RAFP. Previously purchased 16 Black Hawk helicopters with the final batch delivered and received in November 2021.